Hello guys, I am mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and it's gonna be very easy. Here I have the dimensions. We only draw the sketch of front view of the model, then we will extrude the sketch. And before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos. So let's get started as soon as possible. And here we have the dimensions. Firstly, you have to close the model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come to new part. Okay. Now we have a new part. First thing first, we have to choose the plane to draw a sketch. So at first, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have an open sketch. Choose the center line. I'm going to draw a center line. Then we will draw these lines here, and finally we mirror these lines to this side of the sketch. So here draw a center line. When you get close to origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that when you click on this point, the center line will be connected to the origin point. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the vertical relation will be applied to my line. So draw a center line and right click, select to exit the tool. If you can see the relations or the dimensions, come to hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the view sketch relations or the dimensions. So here choose the line and draw a horizontal line and a vertical line, horizontal line here, a vertical line, a horizontal line here, a vertical line here, and connect this line to the origin point and right click, select to exit the tool. Choose this line and in add relation give it horizontal relation, and hold the control button and choose this line and give both of them collinear relation. Now choose the center line. The dimension of this line is 30 millimeter. So you can see the dimension here is 30 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 30 millimeter. The dimension of this line is 5 millimeter. The dimension of this line is 10 millimeter, and the dimension of this line is 10 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to the point here is again 10 millimeter. And you can see my sketch is becoming black. It means that my sketch is becoming fully fine, but the sketch is not still fully fine because the line here is still moving and here is not fully fine, and the line here is still blue. So again, choose the smart dimension. The dimension from this point, to the point here is 10 millimeter. You can see the sketch is fully fine and everything is black. Now all we have to do is just mirror these lines here to this side of the center line, and this is the reason why I firstly draw a center line. So here choose mirror entities, here choose mirror about, and here turn on the copy. You have to copy these lines to this side of the center line, and here choose entities to mirror and choose these entities. So you can see the yellow entities here, the yellow lines. It means that if I click on the OK, the lines will be copied to this side of the center line. So click on OK, so you can see it is copied to this side of the center line. Here come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, just right click and you can turn on the feature or turn it on or turn it off. So come to the extruded boss and base. Here in selected contour, choose this region and this one, and don't turn on these two options. Here must be blind and 10 millimeter, and here must be a sketch plane, and click on OK. Now we have the model, and all we have to do is just edit the appearance. I'm going to apply a green color. So Choose this boss extrude and come to the edit appearance, and here you can change, you can apply many different colors. For example, I can give it a purple, blue, or green, and green is much better. So click on OK. Now we have the model with a suitable color, and here in view orientation you can change the many different views. So this view is better. And please watch my previous videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch if you don't know how to draw the sketch. And thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments.